Welcome to Decor Insider. If you have a small living room and you're wondering how to make it feel bigger, brighter, and more functional, you're in the right place. Designing a compact space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or comfort. In fact, with the right techniques, your small living room can become a cozy, modern retreat that looks and feels far more spacious than it actually is. In today's video, we're sharing 20 powerful small living room design ideas, grouped into 4 key sections: enhancing light and space, furniture and layout, storage and organization, and style and ambience. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you find these tips helpful. Now let's get started. Section 1. Enhancing light and space. Enhance natural light with mirrors. Placing a large mirror opposite a window can reflect sunlight around the room, making it feel twice as bright. You can even create a gallery wall with smaller mirrors for a more artistic effect. It's a clever and inexpensive way to expand the sense of space visually. Light color palette. Colors have a massive impact on how large a room feels. Light shades like pale gray, beige, or soft pastels reflect more light and open up the space. They give a calm, clean vibe and serve as the perfect backdrop for any accent pieces or artwork. Color drenching. This trend involves painting the walls, ceilings, skirting boards, even radiators in the same shade. Creates a seamless, unified look that tricks the eye into perceiving more space than there actually is. It's minimal, modern, and definitely on trend for 2025. Vertical space utilization. When you're short on square footage, go vertical. Install floating shelves, wall-mounted TVs, and hang your lighting or plants. This not only frees up valuable floor space but also draws the eye upward, making the room feel taller. Section 2. Furniture and layout. Transparent furniture. Glass or acrylic furniture like coffee tables allows your eyes to travel freely through the room. Because they don't block visual lines, they help maintain an open, uncluttered look, perfect for small spaces. Furniture with legs. For sofas and side tables with exposed legs. When furniture sits directly on the floor, it can look bulky. Raised furniture, on the other hand, lets light flow underneath, giving the room a lighter and more spacious feel. Corner sofa. A compact corner sofa makes use of awkward nooks while maximizing seating. Defines the seating area without needing multiple bulky chairs or couches. Plus, it's perfect for cozy movie nights or small gatherings. Low furniture. Choosing low-back sofas and coffee tables can make your ceilings appear higher. The more open space between the top of the furniture and the ceiling, the more vertical space you create visually. Foldable furniture. If your living room doubles as a workspace or dining area, foldable or extendable furniture is a lifesaver. Pull out what you need when you need it, and neatly tuck it away when you don't. It's practical, flexible, and a smart use of space. Sleek furniture. Avoid chunky, overstuffed furniture. Instead, go for slimline pieces with clean lines. These not only look modern but also occupy less visual space, helping your room feel more open and contemporary. Section 3. Storage and organization. Built-in storage. Custom-built storage units, cabinets, or even a window seat with hidden compartments can transform your space. They keep clutter at bay without taking up too much room, and they can double as decorative elements too. Storage furniture. Multi-use pieces like ottomans with hidden storage or coffee tables with shelves are great for small rooms. They serve 2 functions: a usable surface and a discreet storage solution to hide away daily mess. Clear floors. When things are off the floor, the room instantly feels less crowded. Use wall-mounted shelves, cabinets, or even hanging baskets to maintain a tidy, open floor space. Section 4. Style and Ambience. Tapement rugs. A bold, large rug can visually anchor your room and create the illusion of more space. Just make sure it extends beneath your furniture. Too small rug can actually make a small room feel even smaller. Art at eye level. Hang your artwork at eye level to make the space feel balanced and tall. For a more curated look, mix various frame sizes and create a gallery wall. Just keep it tight and cohesive to avoid overwhelming the space. Create a focal point. In a small room, you want to draw attention away from its size. A statement piece like a dramatic light fixture, bold artwork, or an accent wall can act as the room's star, making the overall design feel intentional and engaging. Play with textures. Mix materials like velvet cushions, wool throws, soft rugs, and woven baskets to create depth. Texture adds warmth and character without taking up physical space, giving your room a lived-in and welcoming feel. Simple flooring. Busy patterns on the floor can make a small room feel chaotic. Stick with simple wood effect laminate or neutral carpets and let your rug do the talking. This keeps the look grounded and cohesive. Dark colors with balance. Don't be afraid of deep colors like navy or charcoal. When balanced with lighter furniture and decor, these rich shades can actually create a cozy, intimate vibe that feels luxurious rather than cramped. Layered lighting. The secret to a well-designed room is good lighting. Mix overhead lighting with floor lamps, wall sconces, and table lamps. This layering adds dimension, allows for different moods, and makes your room feel more dynamic. And there you have it, 20 brilliant small living room design ideas that will help you transform even the tiniest space into something stylish, functional, and uniquely yours. Key is to work smart, not big. From clever lighting and color choices to smart storage and multifunctional furniture, there are so many ways to make your small living room feel like a luxurious retreat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite design idea. Which one are you excited to try in your home? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Decor Insider, and we'll see you in the next one.